I'm going to show you one of the easy ways that we cook sweet potatoes. Today, I'm going to use a roast as a base, but we've done this with chicken and we've done this with ribs. Now I like to put tin foil inside my roasting pan. Makes cleanup a little easier. So you start off with whichever meat that you want, and you get one of your little sweet potatoes. Now we took most of the dirt off of this when we let this cure. Now I'm just going ahead and wash this off real quick. This is one of the little guys that came out of the ground a week or so ago. See, we're going to go ahead and be able to start new slips off of this. This is already starting to put on slips. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off a pretty decent little chunk here. And we're going to go ahead and make slips out of this. Now an old water dish works really good. And this is all I do. I'm just going to set it in there. I'm not going to add any salt and pepper to the meat because we're going to be baking sweet potatoes with it. I'm going to use the juice and the steam off of it to flavor the sweet potatoes and the sweet potatoes to flavor the meat. You can add salt and pepper if you like, onions or garlic. This is just the way I like to do it. That's a pretty good size. That container is going to be completely filled up when we're done here. We actually have a little room in here. Oh, you know what we need? I know what we need. Hey, follow me. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This will make it perfect. One more. Oh yeah. Those are beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. That'll make dinner perfect. Look at this. Icicle radish. The rest of these aren't. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about to make dinner perfect. Look at that. And you can only have this a couple times a year. Look at that. Pull these nice little yellow bok choy flowers off. These are going to be beautiful. That is great. See, these are perfect. Oh, that's going to make a nice garnish. I'm going to take a couple more of these. And when you let them go volunteer, that's what we're going to have in. That's a pretty nice. We don't skin them, just kind of clean them up, cut the ends off, make sure we don't have any rough spots on the skin. If you do, just scrape it a little bit and we'll just rinse it off. Got some icicle radishes, some little red radishes. Oh, beautiful. And our watermelon radishes. You'll be surprised at how nice these cook up just by baking them with the sweet potatoes. Just lay them in. You can actually leave the tops on, I guess, but I like to take them off. And that's all you got to do. Alright, now I do season this a little bit. This is what we use. Now I watched a barbecue show where a man won $50,000 and this is what he used, more or less. So this is what I'm going to use, more or less. I just take a glass. And he used maple syrup. Not the pancake maple syrup, the real stuff. We like the first run, really dark maple syrup, and then we use a little apple cider vinegar. That's probably way too much. So you just stir it together. Yeah, I knew I poured a little too much. Poured a little too much vinegar in there. Add just a little bit more maple syrup. Get another spoon. Mix it. This is by taste. The sweetness of the maple syrup cuts the tanginess of the apple cider vinegar quite a bit. And then here's the magic. You just pour it over. We'll put the lid on. We're going to bake this at 375 for about 2 hours. Now that is beautiful. Now the thing is, look how soft those are. And they smell so good. Then the sweet potato wedges. Look how soft that is. These things are so soft and tender. To give you an idea what these taste like, it just smooths them out. They still taste like a radish. Just really a lot more mellow, a lot softer. They don't have the bite. And then my monster sweet potatoes. See how soft they are? There's no string in there. That's like candy. It just smooths them out. Now if you've got a lot of radishes, try baking them. It's a really nice way to use them. I hope this is helpful. I hope you might be interested in trying this at your house. Sweet potatoes and radishes baked with a roast, baked with chicken, and the award-winning seasoning, a little maple syrup and apple cider vinegar to taste. You wouldn't think this is a good combination, but wow, it smooths that out, it mellows it, and these bigger ones really do have a bite when you eat them raw. Well, I hope this gives you some ideas on what to do with your radishes and your sweet potatoes. You want to know what to do with zucchini? Click that link right there. I'll see you later. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family. God bless you.